Welcome back to the VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Jose Miguel Santelices, and I am here today to share a vocal tip for you that is going to take your singing to the next level. Whether you're a beginner just finding your voice or a seasoned performer, this tip is for you. Disclaimer time. All of the exercises and tips at VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel are meant to be performed under the supervision of a professional. If you're not taking voice lessons, make sure you find a voice teacher that you trust and work under their supervision. Whenever something hurts or doesn't feel right, stop it right away. Singing should never hurt. Never. And now, back to more vocal tips. How many times have you felt that when approaching higher notes, your voice disconnects? If this is something that has happened to you, I might know just why. We have two major vocal registers: chest voice, where I am speaking right now, and head voice, a voice that floats up in the air. In chest voice, I can sing something like this. In head voice, I can sing something like this. You see, they are very different. However, in order for us to sing properly, they must be one voice connected from bottom to top. And you must allow for the right transition between them. So, my advice will never to approach the high register like so. See how that upper note is open and shouty? That is what you do not want. You also do not want the following. You don't want to fully disconnect the voice and go into that headiness. What will be ideal and your final goal is to go to a more balanced sound. Like so. How do we get there? Well, I will recommend that you separate the exercises that you use for your chest register and for your head register and practice them separately for a while, and then put your voices back together so you can try to manage that transition a little better. A great exercise to do so is the following. We're going to start on a high note with a bright Italian ah vowel, like in pizza, ah. And we're going to descend chromatically, making sure that we start purely on head voice and we keep that head voice down as much as possible, like so. So, what I just did was seamlessly transitioning from the head voice into my chest register. What shouldn't happen here is the following. You do not want that, because that means that you are adding too much chest voice into the mix too early, okay? So in this way, approaching high notes from the top only with head voice rather than going from the bottom and bringing all of that way up is going to teach your voice how to adequately sing high notes with power. And let's see if it's true. Bella signora. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. And if you would like to learn more about VOCES Academy of the Arts or enroll in voice lessons, check out the links in the description below. Let's embark on this artistic journey together, because here at VOCES, every voice matters.